Even as business activities in most parts of the world stopped, the wealth of some individuals kept growing. Albeit this growth was due to the stock market rally, it was still surprising. Now, before we get distracted with the reasoning behind all this, let's take a look at the 15 richest people in the world. Starting with number 15, Mackenzie Bezos, $54.6 billion. The Amazon.com founder Jeff Bezos and his ex-wife Mackenzie separated last year in what was then the most expensive divorce settlement in history. Mackenzie inherited 25% of Jeff's share of the company, then valued at $38 billion. Though thanks to the recent rally in stock prices of Amazon, the net worth of Mackenzie Bezos has seen a huge boost. With a net worth of $54.6 billion, she is currently the 15th richest person and second richest woman in the world. Number 14, Mahua Teng, with $55.4 billion. Mahua Teng is the chairman of Tencent Holdings, an internet multinational conglomerate specializing in multitude of internet-based services. Their flagship social media app WeChat has more than 1 billion users. They also have part investments in game companies that have developed the hottest battle royale titles like Fortnite and PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Number 13, Michael Bloomberg, $56.1 billion. Michael Bloomberg is the owner of Bloomberg LP, a private financial services, software, data, and media company. He has also remained the mayor of New York City from 2002 until 2013. Their flagship website is Bloomberg.com, and they are one of the leading providers of data and news to corporate entities. Last year's revenue of the company was about $10 billion. At number 12, Sergey Brin, with $62.7 billion. Sergey Brin co-founded Google with Larry Page. He and Page co-developed the PageRank algorithm, which is used by Google to rank its search results. Before taking retirement from his company, he was the president of Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google. At number 11, Amancio Ortega, with $63 billion. Amancio Ortega was once the richest man in Europe. Together with his wife, he founded Inditex Group that owns Zara among other fashion brands. Their first store was called Zoba, but due to conflicting names with a nearby bar, they had to change it to Zara. They are considered to be one of the greatest retailers in the world for their expertise and ability to deliver products faster than anybody else. Number 10, Françoise Bettencourt Meyers and family with $63.9 billion. Françoise is the granddaughter of L'Oreal founder Eugene Schuller. With ownership of 33% of the company, her net worth is $63.9 billion. That puts her in 10th position in the list and makes her the richest woman in the world. Number 9, Larry Page, $64.3 billion. Like we said before, Larry Page and Sergey Brin founded Google in 1998 from their garage. They created the PageRank algorithm, which is still used by Google along with hundreds of other factors to rank the web pages. Larry was the CEO of the company until 2001, when he stepped down to assume the position of products manager, only to later return to his position in 2011. Then, in 2015, he stepped down from his position in Google to become the CEO of Alphabet Inc. The company was created as an organizational plan to properly manage various services of Google as the company was getting bigger. Number 8, Mukesh Ambani, $64.4 billion. Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries Limited. His company is the largest publicly listed in India by market capitalization. Most of Ambani's vast fortune comes from his 40+% shareholding in Reliance. While he was handed over the petroleum division after the death of his father, he utilized its cash flow to grow and expand into other business segments like retail and telecommunications. His company Reliance Jio revolutionized the Indian telecom segment by slashing data prices 50 times. This helped in driving the average cost per gigabyte in India to one of the cheapest in the world. Reliance Industries is also one of the few companies from India to get a ranking in Fortune's Global 500 list. With total exports worth more than $21 billion in 2019, Reliance Industries is India's largest exporter and responsible for 5% of total customs and excise tax received by the Indian government. But that isn't all. Mukesh Ambani lives with his family in what is the world's most expensive home, Antilia. Currently, the estimated worth of his house is about $2 billion. Number 7. Larry Ellison, $70 billion. Larry Ellison is the co-founder of Oracle Corporation, which is the largest database management systems company in the world. He is currently the executive chairman and chief technology officer in the company. Apart from database management software, Oracle also specializes in cloud engineering systems. Number 6. Warren Buffett, $70.8 billion. Warren Buffett is a man who needs no introduction. His principles for value investing is followed across the world. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a holding company for various businesses like Geico, Dairy Queen, Duracell, among others. But being one of the richest people in the world doesn't keep him from having a modest lifestyle. Buffett still lives in his $650,000 home in Omaha, Nebraska, which he had bought in 1958 for $31,500. Number 5. Steve Ballmer, $71.5 billion. Steve Ballmer was the CEO of Microsoft from the year 2000 until 2014. He was hired by Bill Gates in 1980. Currently, he is the governor of Los Angeles Clippers of the NBA. Number 4. Mark Zuckerberg, $85.4 billion. Zuckerberg is the co-founder of Facebook. He started thefacebook.com from his dorm room in Harvard with a few friends. It had initially been limited to the students of Harvard, but owing to a good response, it was opened for other universities soon. Before making the website public, the domain facebook.com was purchased from About Face Corporation for $200,000. Basically, anyone who claimed to be 13 years or older with a valid email ID was allowed to join. Zuckerberg then dropped out of Harvard to lead Facebook and became a billionaire at the age of 23, the youngest billionaire at that time. Later in 2017, he received an honorary degree from Harvard. Today, Facebook owns the instant messaging giant WhatsApp, media sharing platform Instagram, and VR software and hardware company Oculus VR. Number 3. Bernard Arnault and family, $106.8 billion. Bernard Arnault is an investor, a French business tycoon, and the wealthiest person in Europe. He is the chairman and CEO of LVMH, which holds 70 luxury brands including Bulgari, a luxury jewelry, watch and leather goods brand featured in the Iron Man movie. Bernard and his family together own 70% of Christian Dior, another luxury goods company which owns about 41% of LVMH. His family company Groupe Arnault owns an additional 5.6% of LVMH shares, bringing their total LVMH shareholding to 33%. Majority of his wealth can be linked to LVMH shares. Number 2. Bill Gates, $109.9 billion. Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft, and although he has stepped down from the board of directors at both Microsoft and Berkshire Hathaway, he'll still continue to act as a technology advisor to Microsoft. Currently ranked number 2 in the list of richest people in the world, Bill Gates became a billionaire at an age of 31. At that time, he was the youngest billionaire. Then in 1995, he became the world's richest person with a net worth of $12.9 billion. His company Microsoft enjoys 75% market share of desktop operating systems and 35.6% in all segments. Gates is one of the best known tech entrepreneurs of the mid 1980s, and he also saved Apple in 1997 from bankruptcy. Bill has remained the world's richest person from 1995 until 2017, with 4 years of exception. Currently, most of his investments are held by his company Cascade Investments LLC, which is managed by Michael Larsen. He has also donated large amounts of money to various organizations through his charitable trust, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Number 1. Jeff Bezos, $166.3 billion. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon, world's largest internet company and second to hit $1 trillion market valuation after Apple. Jeff founded the company in 1994 as an online bookstore. Although Amazon is now bigger than ever, it wasn't the only name on his mind. Relentless was another such name, and even today if you visit relentless.com, you'll be redirected to amazon.com. Today, Amazon has expanded into various sectors including cloud computing, home assistant hardware, music and video streaming services, organic foods, and many more. Bezos cashes out $1 billion worth of Amazon shares each year to invest in his rocket company Blue Origin. It is one of SpaceX's competitors and Jeff's cue to become a trillionaire.